Hello, everyone. Today, we're out canoeing on a mountain-top lake.
But it's not so far from home, just high up.
Speaking of home, it's about time we got going.
Vale, Gecko, are you ready to take us back down the mountain, Helena?
Come on, Captain Blue and First Mate Yellow. We have to leave the canoes here, but we can't leave without you.
I know. Helena's engine won't start.
Let's see what the problem is. Rusty wrenches. Helena has a loose spark plug, but the fix is easy. It just needs to be bolted back in place. My tools are in Tilly, back at Cat's base.
And we need Helena to get back down. Aye. Now we're stuck on the mountain.
There must be another way to get us all down without flying.
Eso. What if we put Helena's skis into the canoes so she floats down the river and off the mountain?
Yes, we can ride Helena like a log flume.
Bien hecho, Helena. Vámonos!
Hold on tight, everyone. This could get a bit choppy, hopefully. Whitewater wrenches! That was fun!
Woohoo! And we made it down from the mountain. Mira, Gecko! Helena won't fit under that bridge.
We have to get Helena back in the air or she'll crash! Come in, please, Tilly.
We need your help by the river. Ah!
Tilly, swing your tow hook to me! Hold on tight, everyone. Again. Oh, made it. Now to fix Helena. The tool we need is a wrench.
Geckos Garage, time to fix!
I just need to bolt the spark plug back in place.
Hurry, Gecko!
Righty-tighty, and fix complete. Now, Cat!
Great job, Gecko. Thanks for saving Helena.
You're welcome, friends.
Gecko, can you help take these canoes back to the lake, please? Helena can't wear them forever.
And go back up the mountain again? Sure! Goodbye, everyone.